Hello everyone. Today we will discuss about routing and traffic control section. In this routing and traffic control section, the routing is to use for what is the path definition. To generate the path and select the path, the routing module is used, and the traffic control is to maintain how the traffic would go from here to there. Now the routing section. Routing is the processing or process of determining the route of path through the network that a message will be traveled from one sender computer to the receiver computer. Types of the routing: categorized routing, static routing, and dynamic routing. Categorized routing is a routing which is used in mass and star network. One computer in this network is designed as a network router manager is a centralized routing. In this routing section we have a computer for the center composition and that controls any other PCs in this network. So this is known as the central routing. Then the next one is static routing. In this static section, the static routing is a type of network routing technique. That is, static routing is not a routing protocol. Instead, it is a manual configuration, because in the static routing you need to approve and put the internet protocol or IP address of devices statically or manually in the routing table. So this is known as the static routing and it cannot refresh. In the dynamic routing, the routing table is refreshed by its own, and dynamic routing is used majorly in our home routers, because when you enter into the routing section and the Wi-Fi zone, then if you are connected with the router, then it will automatically generate a table of your IP address in the routing section. So this is known as a dynamic routing, and static routing you need to put that manually. That is how you can use the MAC ID section in our router configuration. That works as a static routing, and dynamic routing it is automatically. Now there are several routing protocols that rules are used to maintained by the routers for generating the path of routing. There are some routing protocols which are routing information protocol, which is RIP, which is basically dependent on distance. If it found the shortest distance, then the packets will go to the short destination. This is the work of routing information protocol. Then the interior gateway protocol, which is IGRP, is like a same. Then the open shortest path first is short form as OSPF, is used in the high bandwidth. It will check which path is have the high bandwidth, then the packets will go through this path, is known as the open shortest path first. Then the exterior gateway protocol, which is known as EGP. Then the enhanced interior gateway routing protocol, which is stands for EIGRP. Then the broader gateway protocol, which is as BGP, which is used in different networks. Suppose you are standing in your home and your router is A and your friend's router is B. Your friend is in another country and you both are communicating with each other. So now your router needs to develop a path with your friend's router, which is B. So this is called a border gateway protocol. That is by this BGP, your router A will generate and find a path with your friend's router, which is a mile or far away from your home. That's why it is called the border gateway protocol. And then last one is the ISIS, which is for intermediate system to intermediate system. The traffic control is to control and manage the traffic system of routing. That's for today. Thank you.